Um, yeah, this is where the sculpting tools are, you know, a stroke of genius, because they really do help you get these shapes right. You can make your... I suggest making it a little bit bigger for these bits.
Right.
0.3 is what I found was quite good. And then you can really start to move a lot of the details around. And if you don't like something, just hold down Shift. Hold down Shift and it will smooth it for you. So then you can really start to... That's better. Good. So this is excellent. You are really learning how to use these sculpting tools. And yeah, you want to pull that part down.
Something happened there. So I'm going to see if smoothing that actually. What have you...
Not bad at all. You can see your thumb is a little bit. I'd use the side if I was you for that bit. You can see a little bit off.
Yeah, I'm going to increase it again to try and... That's too much.
And that's how you've got to do it. Just keep practicing your sculpting. You can see, that's good. And look, your knuckle is on your main finger is way out. Suddenly, 20 times better.
I think I'm adjusting a finger there.
It's better. But right now, our main focus is get the shape right. That's good. That's better.
I couldn't tell if that was another finger that I kind of hidden behind, or if it was one that I needed to adjust, and it was one I needed to adjust.
That's good. You might find, yes, it's better.
Going to take a bit of smoothing.
Ooh, starting to come together, isn't it?
It is indeed.
So what we might need to do is start adding in geometry very shortly. Once you're happy with, once we've got the shape right, once we've got all these little details right, and it will take a while. You have to be very patient at this point. Once those details are right, then you can really start to add in geometry. We can start adding things like fingernails, which are really quite cool to do. The feet is, we can do a similar way of doing it, but I have rarely found I ever needed to do the feet. I do sort of sock feet, so I just extrude out and then do a heel, and that's it. Because normally people use footwear, so rarely that I've ever, in fact I can't think of any professional capacity where I've ever had to sculpt bare feet. I've had to sculpt claws, but never bare feet. Much better. Remember, holding down Shift can smooth details for you. Now you're much further ahead of me at this point. Might actually borrow your hand.
Yeah.
Because you're ahead of me, I'm just keeping an idea on what you're doing. Good.